Hey everyone, welcome back to the show. I'm your host Alice, and today I've got my co-host Jacob with me. How's it going, Jacob?
Hey Alice, doing well, thanks. Excited to dive into today's topic. We're talking about the US dollar troubles, right?
Exactly. It's been quite the roller coaster lately. As a Forex trader, I've seen some interesting movements. What about you, Jacob? How are you seeing things from the stock market angle?
Well, from a data analyst perspective, it's fascinating. The dollar's fluctuations have been affecting global markets in unexpected ways. It's like each move creates ripples across different sectors.
Oh, definitely. I've noticed the same thing in Forex trading. It's like every time the Fed makes a statement, the whole market takes a breath. How do you think traders should be preparing for these kinds of shifts?
It's all about diversification and being prepared for volatility. Like having a mix of assets that can buffer against sudden changes. What strategies have you been advising your mentees lately?
Well, I've been emphasizing the importance of staying informed and agile. You can't just sit on your hands, you have to react quickly to news. And a strong focus on risk management is crucial too.
Right, risk management is key. I remember a time when a big announcement from the Fed caught me off guard and I had to quickly shift my positions. It was a real learning moment.
Oh, I hear you. Those sudden moves can be real eye-openers. Do you think the current issues with the dollar are temporary, or are we looking at a longer-term trend here?
That's a great question. I think we might see some longer-term impacts, especially with all the geopolitical tensions. But as always, the market has a way of balancing itself out over time.
Exactly. And that's why staying adaptable is so important. It reminds me of when I first started trading, and the euro was going through its own crisis. It was all about adjusting to the new normal.
Yeah, totally. Those experiences really shape how we approach the market today. Any final thoughts on where you think the dollar is heading next?
Well, it's hard to say for sure, but I'm keeping an eye on the upcoming economic reports. They might give us a clearer picture. How about you?
I'll be watching the data closely too. It's all about connecting the dots and anticipating the moves. Thanks for the chat, Alice. It's always great to hear your insights.
Likewise, Jacob, and thanks to everyone for tuning in. We'll catch you next time with more market insights. Take care.